Y'all, I got the 12 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar from Target, so let's open her up. So let's start with day one. It smells good. So this is a full size of the EOS pink lemonade. Let's try it on. I love a good lip balm, honey, okay? That's nice. I like that. It feels very like shea buttery. It's a lip butter. I like that. I like it a lot. Day two. Where's day two? Two. Oh, it's just in order. Okay, come on, Raven. Let's get it together. The Winky Lux Unibrow Precision Pencil. That's what it looks like. Look how tiny this is. Number three. I'm slow.
Wait.
Okay, maybe it fell down somewhere. I don't know. But right now, it's empty. Four. Ooh, the little Sonia Kush Beauty Blender. 5 is down here. It's Bliss. The Drench and Quench Cream to Water Hydrator for All Day Moisture with 4 hyaluronic acids. I didn't even know there were 4 types of hyaluronic acids. Ooh, this is feeling like cooling. Okay. This would have been perfect for the summertime. Just saying, because it was very refreshing. Here is number 6. Okay, you guys don't have a number 3. I don't think I do. Maybe it's a number 12. I don't know. This is the Bioma Deep Puff Brightening Eye Gel. 7. I would suggest the middle parts Target would just glue it to the plastic. This is a dry shampoo from Batiste. I don't really need that, but if you do, and it's exotic coconut. Let's see what it smells like though. Oh, that smells nice. So if you haven't washed your hair in days and want it to smell like coconut, they have that for you. 8. Okay, this is a little disappointing, but it's a liquid IV. 9. I see NYX. It's their matte finishing spray. This is actually perfect, like this little thing for like when you're traveling and stuff. 10 is here. Aussie 3-minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner. Number 11. Yes. My favorite primer, the e.l.f. Grip. I love this for traveling. Like this size, perfection. And day number 12. My day number 3 was some Ollie gummies. These are the Undeniable Beauty. So if you don't see number 3, it might be a number 12. Day number 12 is the Tanology. It is the medium self tan drops. I don't think medium shade is gonna work on me. That's it. 12 Days of Beauty from Target. Let me know if you try it.